You're watching the Abbe's Golden Girls and Guys show, where Abbe Chain helps you get and stay fit while having fun in the comfort of your own home. Abbe shares healthy and delicious recipes, and there's always something new going on, so you need to hurry up and get in on the fun.
Hi everyone, this is Abbe Chain with Abbe's Golden Girls and Guys. Today, I'm going to be demonstrating the proper form to performing a bicep curl. First of all, you want to go ahead and place your elbows on the side of your waist, of your body. You place 1 foot forward, it really doesn't matter which one you put forward, and we're going to just keep our wrists straight as we bring the weights to our shoulders and then back down again. So you really want to be cognizant of keeping your wrists nice and straight. So we don't want to turn them in like this, okay? We just want to relax the shoulders and focus on bringing your palms to your shoulders and then back down again. So we're just going to do this, perform this exercise just for 1 minute. All right, make sure that you keep your fingertips very, very light around the weights. Perfect. You want to always remember to keep your shoulders nice and relaxed. And basically keep going. Don't stop. And we're working right here. This is the bicep muscle. Just keep going in. Don't forget to exhale as you lift. Inhale as you lower. Exhale as you lift. Inhale as you lower. You also want to make sure that there's no arch in the lower back. So, if you like this video, please hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel. Every week I will be posting a different video demonstrating a different body part. Thanks and have a great day.
Thanks for watching the Abbe's Golden Girls and Guys show. New live videos every week. Ask a friend to sign up for a free trial at vagero.com/Abbe's Golden Girls.